Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue our numbers. Up to 1500 I have done in my last video. So here 1500 onwards we will start. Let's begin. Before watching my video, please subscribe my channel. 1501. How to read? 1000, 1501, 1502, 1503, 1504, 1505, 1506, 1507, 1508, 1509, 1510, 1511, 1512. Next is 1513, 1514, 1515, 1516, 1517, 1518. After 18, 19, 1519, 1520, 1521, 1522, 1523, 1524, 1525, 1526, 1527, 1528, 1529, 1530. Next is 1531. After 30, 31, 1531, then 1532, 1533, 1534, 1535, 1536, 1537. So old one I am rubbing. 1538, 1539, 1540, 1541, 1542, 1543. Next is after 43 we know it is after 1543 we know it is 1544 it should be. 1544, then 1545, 1546, 1547, 1548, 1549, 1550. So after 50, 51. That means it will be 1551. 1551, 1552, 1553, 1554, 1555, 1556, 1557, 1558, 1558, 1558. I am rubbing this also now. 1558, then 1559 should be there. 1559, 1560, 1561, 1562, 1563, 1564, 1565, 1566, 1567, 1568, 1569, 1570. After 69, 70. 1571, 1572, 1573, 1574, 1575, 1576, 1577, 1578, 1579, 1580. Next is 1581, 1582, 1583. After 83, 84. So 1584. Next is 1584, 1585, 1586, 1587, 1588, 1589, 1590. 1591, 1592, 1593, 1594, 1595, 1596, 1597, 1598, 1599, 1600. So friends, in this video we have learned how to write 1501 to 1600. We know numbers are infinite. It is very difficult to cover all the 4 digits numbers. So maximum we will try to complete up to 9999, because largest 4 digit number is 9999. There we can stop. After that 5 digit number, I mean 10,000, 5 digit number will start. So slowly we will cover up to 2000 if you know. Then again like continuation 2001, 2002, like that we should do. Here up to 1600. In next video I will try to put 1601 to 1700. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.